Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. Live a little. Hey guys, welcome back. The good vibes, the fun, the food, and quick recipe ideas. The holidays are here. It is here. And if you're Christmas morning, quick eating, everything you're eating, but you want a quick dessert, and you have Creamery ice cream in your refrigerator, here's a quick ice cream that you could do with a little punch. It's a peanut punch caramel shake. So quick, so cool, you won't believe. Let me get some peanut ice cream out of my refrigerator. All brought to you by the folks at Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. Oh, yeah. So all this is, you need a good blender, and you need to get some creamery peanut ice cream in there. So you're starting with, I would say about 4 to 6 nice big scoops. So all we're doing is flavoring this guy up now. So we have some vanilla essence that I want to get in there. A dash of bitters never hurts. So there's a couple of dashes of bitters. And your favorite dark rum. You can use vodka. There was a little debate whether we use vodka or rum, but I'm a rum guy. So I'm using your favorite dark rum, and you just pour, I would say about 1/4 cup or so, yeah? Live a little. Live a little, it's creamery ice cream. I could add some caramel. I forgot it's a caramel shake. So this is the great thing about this, guys, that you can kind of just play with it, add the flavors you want to play. You could add some chocolate in here, some coffee if that's how you flow, and flavor up your peanut punch however you want. With that now, all you do is a nice pulse. And that's all. That is so simple. And you pour that into some nice glasses. So with that little punch, instead of whatever alcohol you're drinking on Christmas morning or on Boxing Day, you can feel free to add and create that little punch. So I'm not finished yet. And a cherry. Nothing wrong with a little caramel on top. One for you, one for me. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas from all of us here at Cup of Joe.